everybody and welcome back to Sydney Transport Vlogs. I'm currently at Taylor Station to spend some time here filming trains for you guys. So sit back and enjoy. We've got an M-set about to pass on the outer tracks. We've got a B set in the distance. I think it's going to be a MacArthur service. That's A47 going to the city circle via Walleye Creek. We've got Warrington number 1 and Warrington number 2, which is going to be coming. They're both A sets. And here's the other one. That's A67 over there. Alright, we've got a MacArthur service. About to switch tracks. Man, there was police in that train. I don't know if I'm going to get caught up for it. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe they're going to catch me out. Hope not. Arriving into platform number 2. B41. Explorer. City Circle via airport stations. First stop train's in Endeavour. That scared me. Don't do it again, please don't do it again. It was a good horn though. We're gonna beast it. I'm pretty sure it's in my car for service. Yep. It said it's B3. City Circle service. That train is actually not in service and it's actually racing. Wait, let me zoom in. They're racing each other. That train, the Bisa on the left, is actually going to go past Tempe on the Tempe signal. And the other one's going to Walleye Creek. I've got an ace it. 812. Here comes the wind. Ace it. Reevesby service. The set is A23. It's a Waratah ASET. It's a MacArthur service. And an ASET, I think. Here we go, yeah. So we have an ASET. City Circle via Reefing? That's what it says on this though. Exactly, City Circle via Walleye Creek. So I'm gonna go up to the platform. That's the train I got on from Walleye Creek here. And that's the train I actually got off at this platform. So I've been here for a while actually. Alright, here comes a B set. And an A set, which is behind me, but that guy had a bit of music in his cabinet for the guards. Man, that would be a pretty good life, wouldn't it? I don't know why, I just keep looking at this, it's so satisfying. Look how many tracks there are. Also, explain what this is. I don't even know why it says A up there. I don't know what it is. Please let me know in the comments if you do. Here comes an A set. That train is going to the City Circle via Sydenham. A33. Here comes the B set. And just for the record, I've stayed on this side of the platform the entire time because I feel like it. It's B1. was gonna go on that train, but I wanted it from the other train. So now I have to wait another freaking 15 minutes for a Revesby service. Guys, I'm gonna have to end the video now. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Share this to your friends and family. And just for the record, there's gonna be a KSA tour tomorrow. So I'm pretty sure all 4 cars are booked out, but you can go to multiple locations to go and see it. So yeah, see you guys later, and goodbye until next time.